Hello everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm going for a galaxy design. My planets are the petunias. The prince that Egyptian papyrus plant represents the stars. I have to let these small plants catch up with the bigger ones. Sky blue, red vein, hula hoop mix, blue vein. Use whatever your preferred fertilizers. Starting to look nice. Fuchsia and the bicolor light yellow and fuchsia. I already used granular fertilizer today. For the small petunias, I'm going to use this once a week and this one every 10 days for the whole month of April. For the bigger plants, I'm only going to use this every 10 days. For next month, I'm going to use the bloom booster. I'll continue using this fish fertilizer to the small petunias until they catch up to this big. Kindly help me grow my channel. Please subscribe, like, share my videos. Have a wonderful day.